Lenovo just introduced the new Lenovo Yoga Tab at a press conference in Berlin, and this is the cheaper version of the Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus, which we reviewed at the beginning of this year. If you want to see that video, the higher end version, you can check it out on our channel, of course. And the Lenovo Yoga Tab will cost around $499, and it's quite interesting because it's like a higher end mid-range tablet in an 11.1 inch format, while the higher end generation is 12.7 inches. So this one is quite a bit smaller. It's more of a direct competitor to the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 that was just announced, and also of course to the Galaxy Tab S9. This has a very high resolution 11.1 inch display. It has a resolution of 3200 by 200 pixels, supports up to 144 Hz and gets up to 800 nits bright. So these specs are quite good for such a display. Inside here runs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which is the flagship from last year. That's why it's not a premium tablet, it's an upper mid-range tablet. We get up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of internal storage, and there's no micro SD card slot, so you won't be able to expand the storage. Let's look around this tablet a bit. We've got two speakers here. In the middle there's a USB-C port. We get a connector for the keyboard cover, two more speakers here, and then of course a power button and a volume rocker. On the back we've got two cameras. I think one is 13 megapixels and the other one is a 2 megapixel macro camera. I don't think we need a macro camera on the tablet. And then we get an LED flash here, and there's a webcam of course here, then the small display, and that's about it. You can get it with an optional pen. We already reviewed this pen with the Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus, and we liked it quite a lot, and it also seems to work quite nicely on this tablet, so you will be able to make handwritten notes, draw a bit. There are some AI features built into the Notes app as well, but usually we wouldn't recommend using the Lenovo app. It's better to use another one like Nebo or so, and that will be pretty good for taking notes with your 11-inch tablet in case you want to get this one. Now let's check out the keyboard cover. We like the design here. Lenovo also introduced the Lenovo Idea Tab Plus. You can find that video on this channel, and that keyboard cover is fine but not that amazing. This one is much better, but I'm sure you've seen the design before. You attach the back cover magnetically. It's quite secure, like the magnets are pretty good, and yeah, then you can put this tablet at an angle, either very down or put it a bit higher. So it's nice that you can adjust the angle here, and then you can connect the keyboard cover, fold it up. It's like a laptop. You can put it in your bag, and then if you want to write with it, you can unfold it and then start to write on it. The keyboard is pretty good. Obviously it's a bit smaller than your standard laptop keyboard since we've got an 11-inch display here, but otherwise I was able to type on it quite nicely. It's nice that we have a touchpad. It's obviously very small, but at least we have one, and it's much nicer to edit documents if you have a touchpad, just because with the proper mouse you can jump into text and select text much easier. Now this tablet is running Android 15, and you can see the desktop mode running at the moment, and it's nice that it has a desktop mode, especially when you use it like this. It's basically a laptop, and I am not sure how many updates Lenovo will provide for this device. I'm guessing it will get 1 or 2 major version updates, and then probably 4 or 5 years of security updates. There's this new EU regulation, so Lenovo has to provide security updates for quite a while. And yeah, the first impression of this tablet is pretty good, but obviously we have to review it properly before we can recommend anything. And if you want to see a full review of this Lenovo Yoga Tab, then subscribe to this channel.